So the equation of a circle, of any circle, is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where hk is the center and r is the radius. So if I have this equation here, x minus 4 squared equals plus y plus 3 squared equals 9. Your center, very good, would be the opposite of what's in this parenthesis and the opposite what's in this parenthesis, because there's a minus in the formula, so it's opposite of. And your radius is what? 3, because it's the square root of 9, okay? Now, if 9 is not a perfect square root or perfect square, then just put square root of 5 or square root of 10 or whatever number is there, okay? Because you don't know what it is. So if we have this equation, x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 25, what's the center, Austin?
The center is -2, -3.
Ah!
Oh wait, no it's not.
It's the positive. It's the opposite.
Oh, it's 2, 3.
2, 3. So it's the opposite. Since there's a minus here, it's the opposite of that. And radius is 5. So how do I graph this? I just graph 2, 3, which is right here. And this is the hardest thing you'll do all day, I'm sure. You count 5 to the right, make a dot, count 5 up, make a dot, count 5 to the left, make a dot, and count 5 down, and then make a circle. So when you're drawing a circle, look ahead of your pencil, don't look at your pencil, and you get a better circle. If you